Hi fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nupur. So in today's video, I'm gonna create this very glamorous sort of look for Rakhi. Since Rakhi is coming your way, I thought of creating this look. And all the products that I've used in today's video are my personal favorite and are very affordable. So keep on watching. Also, if you're visiting my channel for the very first time, then please take out a minute and do subscribe. Okay, so I'm starting off with a moisturizer and I'm going to mix it with some highlighter from Swiss Beauty, and the moisturizer is from Kaya. I love this moisturizer. It's a day cream actually, and it keeps my skin hydrated all day long, so that is the best part. And don't forget your neck, guys. You have to apply a moisturizer on your neck as well. And all the products that I've used in today's video, I will leave a link down below, so don't forget to check that out. Next, I'm gonna apply a primer. This is from Maybelline. Now you have to invest in a good primer if you're a lot into makeup. It will make sure that your makeup will stick to your face all day long and it won't crease. So I'm applying it all over my face. Next, I'm going to color correct wherever I have dark spots or dark circles. I'm going to color correct that using this foundation stick. This is from Nykaa and it's a really good foundation. It's a darker shade for me, so I'm using it as a color corrector, but overall as a foundation it is very nice. And yes, next I'm going to use a Lumi Cushion foundation. This is from L'Oreal. I don't want that full coverage for Rakhi. I want a very natural look, so I'm going to use this cushion foundation. Guys, if you are a beginner in makeup, then just invest in a good cushion foundation. It will change your makeup game, I assure you that. And this one is very good. It gives you that glow on your skin, and it is not a full coverage, but you can build the coverage anyways. So next I'm going to fill in my brows off the camera because it takes a lot of time. And next I'm gonna use this mauvey shade. I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid. And the eyeshadow palette is from Makeup Revolution London. Next I'm going to use this burgundy shade. The eyeshadow palette that I've used is from Essence. It's a gifted one. My friend, she went to Germany and she got this for me, and it's a really amazing palette. Next I'm going to use it as a transition shade, and for my outer corner as well I've used the same shade. And this is a game changer. This eyeshadow palette is from Swiss Beauty and it's a amazing. It has amazing shades. If you're looking for a good shimmery eyeshadows, then just go ahead and get your hands on this one. This is very affordable and the eyeshadows are very pigmented and amazing. The formula is very amazing. Next I'm gonna apply a concealer on the usual areas of my face, that is under eyes, on tip of my nose, on forehead and my chin. You can use a highlighting concealer as well. So I'm just going to blend it out using a beauty blender. You can use your fingers, and then you can take out excess product with a beauty sponge, but I don't want that full coverage, so I just have used a beauty blender and just taking out the excess product. You can use a brush as well. Brush also works the best if you're looking for a full coverage makeup. So once you're done with your concealer, next I'm going to apply this gel eyeliner. Now this gel eyeliner is bomb, like seriously. This is so far the best gel eyeliner that I've used. The L'Oreal one is also good, but this is from Sugar Cosmetics and it doesn't smudge at all. It sticks to your eyes all day long. Till the time you take it out, it will stay in place, and it is jet black in color, so that is the amazing part. Next I'm going to take this burgundy shade from Makeup Revolution London eyeshadow palette, and I am going to smudge that gel eyeliner using that eyeshadow, and it will give me that smoked out look. Okay, so now I'm going to contour my face a little bit, not going too harsh because it's a daytime look and I don't want that harsh look. So I'm just going to apply this lipstick. This is my favorite lipstick. This is from Chambord. I'm using it as a blush, and then I'm going to apply it on my lips as well. So This lipstick is amazing. I'm obsessed with nudes lately. So if you are also obsessed with nude colors, then just go ahead and get your hands on this one. Check out my description box for the details. And blend this out using your fingers. It will give you that natural look. And then apply a compact powder. This is a makeup hack, you guys. Apply your blush first and then apply your compact powder. In a way, it will look more natural, and your cheeks will look very amazing. Next, I'm going to apply a highlighter. I'm using it very little. I don't know if the camera is catching it or no, but I've used a highlighter very little amount. I don't want that, you know, focused look. So yes, next I'm going to apply this lipstick. This is from Chambord. As I mentioned before, I've used it as a blush as well, and it is very amazing mauvey pink shade, and I simply love it. Next, I'm going to set my makeup using this makeup fixing spray. This is from Swiss Beauty, and it won't give you that matte finish look. It will give you that glow on your face, which I love the most, and this is very affordable. So get your hands on makeup fixing spray. मेरा eyelash निकल गया है, मैंने वो बाद में fix कर लिया, कोई नहीं. Okay, so that is the finished look. I really enjoyed filming this. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys going to recreate this on Rakhi, and tag me in on Instagram if you recreate this look. And yes, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, then please do so, and I'll see you in my next one. Till then, bye. A lot of new content is coming your way, so stay tuned. Bye bye. I'll see you super soon.